Okay, it's super windy. We have the Neo. Let's have some fun. I haven't flown the Neo here for quite some time. I've been flying the Whoops here. Let's see what happens. Okay, normal deal. We don't have many satellites. Motor's starting. Woohoo, we are windy. Now, there's no way I'd recommend flying the Neo in wind if you aren't flying manual, but you can get away with it in manual. You just need to be super cautious and get ready to catch it when the wind takes it. But you sort of have to be like that with the Neo anyway. So let's have a looky, see what we can do. Ooh. Okay, let's see if we can go fast and low on the road. We can go fast and loud with the Neo. Okay, super hard that way. Let's turn her around. Whoa, okay. I need manual back. Oh shit. This is not good. Down. Come on. Okay, so it's knocked me out again when I'm in. Is it going to let me back into manual? I'm right by this post, look. Right, we're back in, I think. Come on. Right, we got manual. That is where it's risky, because it just disappears. Such a screecher. Okay. Sun has disappeared. Okay, I had to be sensible there because there were some people walking past. Oh, it's so windy. Because how much I'm having to angle the drone against the wind. Okay, let's try and bring it back low and fast. Wee. Okay, we're at 37% battery. Let's try and bring it back with some sort of control. Oh. Down. I got no idea where it just went. I'm guessing we've hit the wall over here somewhere and the battery's come out. The battery is really loose, just where I've crashed so many times. Yeah, see, like, the battery just unclips. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's just stick it down here now, low and sensible-ish, if that's a thing. Yo, that's how windy it is. Okay, so through the obstacles. gonna get very sketchy on the way back trying to do this. Okay. That's happening much faster. Jesus. Okay. Oh, that was fun, but crazy. Look out! Look, see how hard that is going into the wind? Hardly moving. Turn it around the other way, and it goes like a rocket. Look. Oh, over the slab. Okay, this is where it's going to get quick. Oh. Oh, oh yeah. Oh. Okay, I reckon I'm going to stop there before I lose the Neo. Okay, let's see if we can find it. Yeah, let's be sensible. Okay, so that's the Neo flight. I'll update on the questions. Thanks for the feedback and stuff, and suggestions on what to buy. I've bought a very cheap open prop Darwin FPV one from AliExpress, just an analog 3-inch. So that's going to be interesting. It was super cheap, but it's Chinese New Year, so I think it's going to take a while to get to me, and I'm still waiting on the Pavo, which should be arriving in Australia very, very soon. So should have that hopefully in the next week. So I'll have the Pavo, and then a couple of weeks later we'll have the Darwin FPV analog one to try out. But I think that's the plan. I'm just going to pick up as many cheapish drones as I can, so I've got a selection before I decide on something a little bit more expensive. Still don't know whether to keep the Avata just for the cinematic type stuff. But anyway, let me know if you have any questions down below. Let me know if you have any requests, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.